everyone, I'm Kelly from Crafting a Cuppa and welcome to episode 3 of my unboxing series. So yeah, I've treated myself again and bought some more yarn. Oops Daisy, you know how it is. I'm still on my quest at the minute to find things to make with yarn cakes. So let me show you what I've done so far. Okay, this is done. I've literally just finished this. Can you see it? Oh, I give it a little shake. It's a skirt. I've literally just finished recording the tutorial and it's about to go on YouTube very, very, very soon. If it's not on there already when you're watching this, it will be like a matter of hours or days. I've just got to edit the video. So yeah, I don't have a name for it yet either, so I need to get on that because it's just really rubbish at picking names. But I made this one with Mandela, Lion Brand Mandela. Just trying to think, is it Sphinx? I think it is. I did a small and I got a whole skirt out of that and leftovers. Look, still got that left over. That's good, isn't it? So yeah, that tutorial is going to be up very, very soon. I'll probably write the pattern out as well for that, do a little written one for that as well. And then randomly the other night I just sat there and I thought, I really would like to make a bohemian style vest, which you see like for festivals and stuff. I love them. Every year I've wanted to make one and I've never done it. I've never got around to doing it. And it just, the urge was there and I thought, I know, I don't know if you watched my first ever unboxing video where I bought 4 yarn cakes in totally the wrong colour. And I was a bit like, oh, weren't expecting that, weren't really feeling the colour. I thought, do you know what, I'm going to have a go with one of them. Because if it goes wrong, it don't really matter too much, does it? So that's what I did. And then I freestyled this vest. Now my original one had a tie on the front of it. So there, it's like this. It's got all fringe on it. My original one was done up with a tie. I was going to sell this, but my eldest daughter was like, I really like that. So she's nabbed it and she requested buttons to go on because she loves buttons and undoing them and doing them back up again. So I was like, yeah, that's fine. So yeah, it's just this little fringy vest. I can't really fit it in the screen very well. I popped a hood on mine and I freestyled it and I loved it because that's my most favourite way to make things with crochet. Obviously I do design with everybody in mind these days, but sometimes I just want to just grab my hook and not write nothing down, not worry about other sizes and just make something. And it was amazing and I loved it and I haven't done it for such a long time. It took me about 2 days. I was so invested in it. Invested, literally. It took me like 2 days to bust it out. Aha! And then my daughter asked for one as well. Not my eldest who's nabbed this one, but another one of my daughters asked for one as well. She's 6. So I thought, well, let's see if I can freestyle it for a 6-year-old. And I did. And she looks amazing in it. She looks so cute, wandering around the garden. She wanted buttons on hers, you see. So that's why I think my eldest wanted buttons on her one as well. Let me just do a button up so you can see it a bit better. So prepared, aren't I? Just doing the buttons up quickly. Quick. Ugh, get on there right now. It's a bit hard to hold it up really because it's a bit of an awkward shape. But yeah. She wanted a hood on hers as well. I was kind of hoping, I gave her the option of a frilly collar or a hood, thinking, oh, pick the frilly collar because it don't take that long. She's like, I want a hood. I was like, okay. But yeah, I made this one as well. And I used yarn out of my DK stash for the fringe. I don't know if you can see it. It's a bit bright, isn't it? But I think I colour matched it pretty well. So I'm going to do a YouTube tutorial on this for how I freestyled it. So the YouTube tutorial is going to be, you can make it for yourself or you can make it for someone else, as long as you've got them there to try it on. That's how I'm doing it for the time being. because I just really enjoyed making it that way, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it, and hopefully you can make one too. So that's it. And then I thought, well, because I'm trying to find things to make out of yarn cakes, should I just buy some more? Another big box. Should we open it up and see what's in it? I haven't even opened it yet. Again. Let's hope I haven't bought anything wrong. I've got to be honest, I can't even remember what I bought, so surprise all around. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna have to do this quick because my dog is due at the dog groomers in a few minutes. Much to his excitement. Not. Bless him. Ooh. Get that open. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, here we go again, look. Let's get that one out. Okay, so that's lovely. So pretty. So I think I bought 2 of each colour. So that one is, I don't know how you say it. I really need to brush up on how you say things. Papatia, I hope. Colour 224. There you go, look at that. 2 of those beauties. Let's get the other one out quick. Lovely. Very, very nice. What's next? Oh, it's such a lovely load of colours here. Oh, look at that one. That's lovely. Very nice. That is colour number 110. I've got another one in there. Very nice. What's next? Oh, look at that one. Yeah, very nice. This one is again Papatia, I hope. Colour number 218. And then another one of those. I wonder how that will look when it's worked up. I don't know if it's showing up the right colour. It looks quite yellow in the screen, but that's more of a greeny, like a lime green colour. Very nice. Woohoo! 2 more colours to go. What's this one? Oh, that's lovely. Now I've got loads of yarn cakes. So I better get finding some new things to make. But I might sell up a, I'm thinking about making up some vests and maybe popping them in my shop. Pre-made. Ah, don't often do that, but it's such a fun and quick make. I was thinking I might do things like that during half terms and the 6 weeks holidays coming up soon, because I just can't get no patterns written out during the 6 weeks holiday or YouTube tutorials recorded. It's really hard when the kids are here, bless them. It's full on. But that's how it is. Last ones. That's a nice one. It's giving me like coffee vibes. So this one is colour 219. And then I've got another one of those as well. So 2 of each one. Again. I don't think anything was purchased by mistake. And if it was, well, never mind. Because a lovely vest was born from the other yarn, wasn't it? That I bought by accident and wasn't quite sure about. It actually worked up really lovely. Last ones, I really love these ones. Oh, they look so lovely. There we go. Another little yarn haul. Naughty, naughty. It's okay though. So there we are, another little yarn haul. Naughty, naughty. I can see the postman. I better wind this up pretty quick because otherwise he's going to come on the drive and be like, who the heck's she talking to? So, thank you for joining me for episode number 3. Hopefully see you again for episode number 4. whenever that will be, but I mustn't buy any more yarn for a little while because I don't need to. Okay? I'll try. He's coming this way. Right, see you later.